that terrified me, and he made me feel that this was that there was no other choice for me, and that this was going to make I could live to be 100 years, which I don't particularly want to, because I don't think I like the way I look, at 100. And so when I was very quickly I was introduced to Dr. Gandhi. This I would call heaven on earth. I have never been in a more beautiful, nurturing environment. Never been so, it fit my personality so well. Gave me sustenance, peace of mind, and helped me to transform my physical heart difficulties into a very good, supportive way of life for the end of my life, for how many years I